Hey friends, oh my god, this is perfect holiday eye makeup. You can wear it in Christmas or New Year Eves and I'm promising you it's under 2 minutes. It won't take time. So let's quickly jump in. I am using Makeup by Mario Kohl pencil in my waterline and blending it with a little bit of angle brush in the back of the pencil. Then I went in with the shade Fearless from Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette and blending it over my kohl and lower waterline. And I'm using a small bedding brush. It helps to give more control in lower waterline. And then I am adding shimmery strong AF shade from the palette, and I have just picked up on the finger and then packing over the lid. It has got that smoky hue in this shade. It's a shimmer shade, and after packing it on my lid, I'm a little bit blending this shade on my crease. This is a shimmer shade, so you don't need to be pro to blend this shade. It's perfectly easy for beginners to blend. And then I'm going in with shade Brave in my crease to blend the shimmer shade. You can do vice versa as well, adding Brave first and then shimmer. But I did this trick because it's super easy, and just taking a little bit of this shade and blend it on the crease. It's beautiful. And then I'm going in with this shimmer again and packing it all over my lid. This will ensure my crease is blending and it's not looking too much. And all of this just take 2 minutes. It's not even more, and I haven't cut it because I actually wanted to show you how easy it is. Then I went in with some shimmer shade in my inner corner and then a matte white shade in my brow area because I wanted to keep it simple. And then I'm curling my lashes and adding Maybelline Sky High mascara. With lashes, this look is absolutely beautiful and easy to create. If you love this look, then do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.